Well, good day and welcome to your daily AI news update for Thursday, 23rd October 2025. So today we're diving into a fascinating mix of strategic shifts, legal battles, and pioneering security frameworks shaping the AI landscape. We'll be discussing Meta's significant layoffs in its AI division, Reddit's legal action against Perplexity AI, and Singapore's advanced security framework for Agentic AI. Right, let's start with a significant development from Silicon Valley. Meta has announced significant workforce reductions within its artificial intelligence research division, particularly affecting its superintelligence labs. This move signals a strategic reassessment of its ambitious AI goals, coming at a time of intensified scrutiny over AI spending and returns on investment across the sector. While competitors like Nvidia are aggressively expanding, Meta's contrarian decision, suggests a deep internal deliberation on long-term research priorities and departmental efficiency. Honestly, from AICI's perspective, Meta's recalibration is a sobering moment for the entire AI industry. Basically, it underscores that unbridled expansion without clear research outcomes and commercial viability is proving unsustainable. So we anticipate further consolidation across AI divisions as companies prioritize productivity over sheer headcount, potentially creating opportunities for more focused, mission-driven AI enterprises that can demonstrate tangible value. Anyway, moving on to a brewing legal storm, Reddit has initiated legal action against Perplexity AI. Reddit accuses the search-focused AI company of systematically scraping user-generated content to train its large language models without proper authorization or compensation. This lawsuit highlights the escalating dispute over data rights and fair use in the generative AI era, representing a growing corporate resistance to the unfettered data harvesting practices that have often underpinned AI model development. It's a critical case that will likely set precedents for intellectual property and training data rights. Well, AICI views Reddit's legal maneuver as a clear reflection of an industry-wide awakening to the immense value of data assets. So we expect this case to establish crucial precedents around fair use, consent, and compensation in the AI training context. Basically, organizations must prepare for mounting pressure to establish transparent data sourcing protocols and licensing arrangements, as those failing to adapt risk costly litigation, regulatory penalties, and significant reputational damage. At the end of the day, responsible AI development now unequivocally demands explicit consent and equitable compensation frameworks. Right, finally, turning our attention to governance and security, Singapore is once again demonstrating leadership. The Cybersecurity Agency of Singapore has advanced its Agentic AI security framework, releasing comprehensive guidance for organizations deploying autonomous AI agents. This sophisticated policy response recognizes that traditional AI security protocols are insufficient for systems capable of independent decision-making and real-world interaction. The framework provides practical measures for securing Agentic AI throughout its lifecycle, addressing unique deployment, monitoring, and governance challenges. Actually, AICI considers Singapore's Agentic AI security framework to be essential governance infrastructure. It represents a significant step towards establishing international norms for responsible AI deployment. So we urge organizations implementing Agentic AI systems to treat this framework as a baseline standard. Mind you, as these systems become more prevalent, robust security governance will be the differentiator between responsible innovators and reckless operators, shaping future regulatory approaches globally. So what these three stories tell us today is that the AI industry is entering a new phase of maturity. Basically, it's a period marked by strategic recalibration of investment, a fierce battle for data rights and ethical sourcing, and a proactive push for robust governance, especially for advanced autonomous systems. The initial gold rush is giving way to a more considered, regulated, and responsible approach to AI development and deployment. Well, it's clear that the future of AI will be defined not just by technological breakthroughs, but how we navigate these complex strategic, legal, and ethical challenges. Right, we'll be here every day to bring you the latest developments. Okay, that's all for today's AI news. We look forward to catching up with you tomorrow for more insights into this rapidly evolving world. This was brought to you by AICI, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.